Turn trash into treasure. The magic of compost. Composting is like magic. You can turn kitchen scraps into something amazing. It's called compost, and it makes your garden happy and healthy. Compost is like superfood for your plants. Imagine this. Your plants grow big and strong, you have fewer weeds, and you throw away less garbage. That's the power of compost. It's easy to make, and it's good for the earth. Ready to start your composting adventure? Let's learn how. This is just the beginning. Keep reading to discover the wonders of composting. What exactly is composting? It's nature's way of recycling. When leaves fall or food scraps break down, they create compost. Compost is full of nutrients. These nutrients make your garden soil rich and healthy. Composting is good for the earth in many ways. It reduces the amount of garbage in landfills. It also helps fight climate change by reducing harmful gases. And guess what? Using compost saves you money. You won't need to buy chemical fertilizers. Your plants will thank you for using natural compost. Ready to learn what to compost? Let's dive in. Composting is like cooking, but for your garden. You need the right ingredients. Think of fruit and vegetable scraps like your garden's favorite snacks. Eggshells add calcium for strong plants. Dry leaves and cardboard are like cozy blankets. But be careful. Some things don't belong in your compost. Meat and dairy products can attract pests and create bad smells. Plastic and metal don't decompose, so they don't belong in your compost bin. Remember, sticking to the right ingredients makes your compost happy and healthy. Now that you know what to compost, let's talk about the perfect recipe. Just like a good recipe, compost needs a balance of ingredients. We call these greens and browns. Greens are things like grass clippings and food scraps. They provide nitrogen, which helps plants grow strong. Browns are things like dry leaves, shredded paper, and cardboard. They provide carbon, which gives plants energy. The perfect compost recipe has more browns than greens. Think of it like this. For every bucket of greens, add 2 buckets of browns. Now, are you ready to build your own compost bin? Building your compost oasis, a step-by-step guide. Building your own compost bin is easy and fun. You can use recycled materials like old pallets or plastic bins. Step 1, find a shady spot in your yard for your compost bin. Step 2, gather your materials. You'll need 4 pallets, some chicken wire, and some strong tape or wire to hold it all together. Step 3, stand the pallets up to form a square. Secure the corners with tape or wire. Step 4, cut the chicken wire to fit around the inside of your pallet square. This will help keep critters out. Step 5, start layering your greens and browns. Remember, more browns than greens. Congratulations, you've built your compost bin. Now the magic can begin. But the journey doesn't end here. Reap the rewards. A greener future starts with compost. Over time, your compost pile will transform into beautiful, dark, and crumbly compost. This black gold is a gardener's best friend. It enriches the soil, helps plants grow strong, and reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. Composting is more than just gardening. It's about making responsible choices for our planet. By composting, we reduce waste, conserve resources, and create a healthier environment for ourselves and future generations. But what if you encounter challenges along the way? Troubleshooting your compost. Common issues and easy solutions. Even experienced composters face challenges from time to time. Is your compost bin attracting flies? Add more brown materials and make sure the lid is secure. Is your compost too wet and smelly? Turn the pile more often to increase airflow and add more brown materials to absorb excess moisture. Remember, every compost pile is unique and it's a learning experience. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust your approach as needed. Now that you're a composting pro, it's time to spread the word. Sharing the composting journey. Tips for spreading the word. Sharing your composting knowledge with others is a great way to inspire change. Encourage friends, family, and neighbors to start their composting journeys. Host a composting workshop in your community, or share your experiences online. Even small actions can make a big difference in creating a more sustainable world. Together, we can all make a difference. The future is green. Embrace the power of composting. Composting is more than just a gardening technique. It's a way of life. It's a commitment to reducing our environmental impact, nourishing our gardens, and creating a healthier planet for generations to come. Start your composting journey today, and be a part of the green revolution. Let's make composting the norm, not the exception.